The organization of the Warjri clan or the Darbar Singh Kur Warjri will hold the year-long Silver Jubilee celebration from 2022 to 2023, which will culminate at Mauplang. The annual congregation of the Warjri clan will be held at Sorankham village on the 11th of November 2022. On the occasion, the meritorious students who excelled in their respective examinations will be felicitated starting from the SSLC examination onwards. Moreover, eminent personalities in various professions who have made outstanding contributions and excellence in their personal endeavor will be conferred with an award of recognition. As part of the year-long Silver Jubilee celebration, a flower exhibition and sale, including other entertainment, food and pastime activities, is being held at Forever Rosalie Nursery, Pomlom, 7th Mile, Upper Shillong, from the 1st to the 4th of November 2022. Some of the attractions of the events are the decorative enclosure of floral display, orchids and some other exotic flowers, besides the local delicacy of juice, jam and other food products hosted by Nyotriap Guest House, including local food and beverages by the local participants. The subsequent days of the event shall have more entertainment and attractive offers from sales and other activities for fundraising of the celebration.